do not know me, my name is Jeff Roats. I'm a certified executive chef. I'm a certified culinary educator, and I've had the honor to be elected and put into the American Academy of Chefs, which is a group of chefs within the American Culinary Federation. They call it their honor society, and I was honored to be selected to become a member of it. I've been a teacher for over 18 years now, 14 years in the high school system, and the last year I've been traveling around the Caribbean. I've been to Saudi Arabia, all throughout Florida and Southeast Georgia, conducting training. And I have the best job in the world. What we're going to talk about today, and we're all going to be involved in it, is food hygiene, food sanitation, food safety. It's so important that we don't poison anyone. And our two little grubby hands are the #1 criminals as far as getting people sick. The first thing we do when we go in the kitchen is what, ladies and gentlemen? Wash your hands. So anybody want to guess why we use a paper towel instead of a regular towel like this? Why do I want to use this to dry my hands with? Say it loud so we all can hear you. Germs. Germs. Because once I dry my hands once with this, this now has bacteria on it and I can't use it again. So by using a paper towel or one of those air machines that dry out your hands, you're not going to spread germs. Also, a lot of places have hand antiseptics. You know, they put the stuff on the different lotion you put on your hands. Can you use that instead of washing your hands, you think? Guess? The camera doesn't understand this. It understands. No, you can't. You cannot use the hand antiseptic in lieu of washing your hands. You can use it after you wash your hands, but you don't have to. And you have to let that dry too by going like this. Normally has a 60 to 70% alcohol content. Okay, so my hands are clean. I'm going to get ready to go to work. First thing I put on my hat, my apron. Can I use my apron to dry my hands with? No. Same thing. The apron's used to protect the uniform. That's all it's going to do. It's going to keep the uniform clean. So when it gets dirty, you put on a clean one. And then I have my side towel. In preparation of getting ready, you want to have a sanitizer. Now there's different types of sanitizers. We're using quantitary sanitizing tablets. We take one tablet, we throw it in a bucket, we let it dissolve. Now there's different types of sanitizing solutions you can use. You can use an iodine. The most popular one is a chlorine or a bleach solution. And you check your solutions, and then there's the quartz. You check your solutions with a test strip. Now, for the quartz, you got to have 200 ppm, parts per million. And in this test it's pretty good. You throw it in there, you take it out, you compare it with the color on the test kit, and it tells us it's okay. This is okay. This is right around 200. So we know this is well. I'll put this out of the way here. I'll put it down. So I have my sanitizer, I have my apron, I have my hat, and my workbench is nice and clean. I have my gloves. Now, when do we wear gloves? When do I have to wear gloves? Anybody know? What's the requirement in food safety to wear gloves? Say it loud. Ready to eat food. Very good. You can say the same thing. When it goes from your hands to someone's mouth, you're supposed to wear a glove. Gloves come in millions of sizes, from extra small to 2 or 3 extra large. It's always good to have the right type of glove. Now these gloves are latex free and these are powder free. Some people have allergic to latex, to powder. We have allergies for everything nowadays. But this one here, no matter what allergy you have, there's nothing on this glove that will get you, you should not have any allergic reaction. Sometimes they rip. All right, I have my cutting board. Before I even start, because this is the first thing in the morning, this whole place was cleaned last night properly by the team. But it's been sitting out here, you know, you have airborne bacteria floating around. So I'm going to take my sanitizer. I just want to wipe down my counter a little bit. It's not dirty. I just want to wipe it down with the sanitizing solution. Just to be safe. Every time you handle something different, you wash your hands, or you change your gloves, or you go from one food to another food. What kind of knife do we have here? Chef's knife. They come bigger? Chef's knife comes smaller? Yeah. Chef's knives come in many different sizes. This is a 10-inch blade. This is a standard chef's knife. I'm going to use it, and I'm going to show you just a couple of safety factors when you're handling a chef's knife. Again, I'm taking the sanitizing solution. It's at the right ppm, parts per million, so I don't have to worry about it causing a chemical reaction on any of the food. 200 ppm, the water temperature should be around 75 degrees, and that's the most effective that you'll get in sanitizing solution. When I use to cut the, and wherever I'm cutting, I have two hands, my knife hand, my food hand. I will fold my fingers back. I will use my knuckles as a guide. I will not cut my fingers. If I go like this, I guarantee you I will cut a finger like I just did last week. I've been doing this stuff for 49 years. I'm 59 years old. 40 years, 41 years. I still cut myself every so often. I was in a hurry. I wasn't following safety procedures. You fold your knuckles back, you hold it like this, and here's how you cut. I'm finished again. Now, if I was just using vegetables or whatever, I'm now going to meat. I change out my cutting board. I bring it to the dirty side of the dish machine or the good area. I grab a clean one to go, and the same deal as before. I wipe it down. I go. Every time you change a food item, you change your cutting board or you wash your cutting board. You just can't turn it over. And I see many chefs do that. Because whatever was on the front may have dripped down to the bottom, and if all you're doing is turning it over, you're not helping at all. Okay. So we've talked about hair covering, hat, jacket, apron, shoes, closed-toed shoes. Why do we wear closed-toed shoes in the kitchen? Drop something, spill some hot water or some grease on it, you don't want to burn yourself. Handling your tools correctly, always carrying your knife down. It's on the counter. I'll get all my ingredients, I get my cleaning tools, I set up, I wash my hands, and I put on my gloves. Makes sense, it's very simple. Now, this was just 10 minutes or so of a short overview of food hygiene, sanitation, and safety. This is normally a 32-hour class. You know, we teach the Serve Safe Managers course. Initial time is 32 hours of contact hours. Now, some could be done self-study, some could be done, or it could be completely done in the classroom. And then there's a certification test, which each and every one of you guys are going to take next year as seniors or culinary questions, comments. Well, I want to thank you for your attention. Have a great day.